Hi, I'm Bob Kelly, president of BillJack. Since you talk to customers every day, it's important for you to know some of the science behind BillJack, and hopefully this information we share with you today will help you become more of an expert about how we are really different.
BillJack has been family-owned and American-made since 1947. We only make dog food and treats, so 100% of our attention goes into making them as good as can be. Our pets are members of our family, so we remain dedicated to making the most nutritious dog food available. At BillJack, we have designed our foods to help meet all of the nutritional needs of your dog so they thrive. While dog owners often love their dogs like a child and friend, we do too. A dog is not a small human with sharp pointy teeth and a fur coat. While we are both mammals and do have some similar dietary needs, we should not project our food needs onto them. Dogs can get by on a variety of diets, but in order to truly thrive, they need a diet based on animal protein. From their sharp teeth to their digestive system, dogs are physiologically built to be carnivores. Humans, however, can eat a vegetarian diet and do quite well. We are known as omnivores. A dog's milk has different nutrients than a human mother's milk. Why? Because puppies have different needs than humans' babies. Humans need to get vitamin C from their diet and fruits and vegetables. Dogs can form vitamin C in their liver. Why? Because dogs and people are different. A dog's digestive tract is very different from humans. Food stays in a dog's system for a much shorter amount of time than a human. Therefore, dogs need to have food they can quickly and easily digest and absorb. There are a lot of pet food companies out there that want you to think that dogs have the same nutritional needs as humans. That's why so many dog food labels are made to specifically appeal to the pet owner. Instead of focusing on what a dog really needs to thrive, they present labels that look good. At BillJack, our whole focus is providing a diet that truly meets the needs of a dog. BillJack is unlike all other dog foods. Do we start with fresh, wholesome ingredients? Of course. But what makes BillJack so different is we start with more fresh chicken. So much fresh chicken that we are willing to tell you how much we actually use to make each bag. Stay tuned. We'll talk about how we can do this and why this is important in just a few minutes. The second thing that sets BillJack apart: we are committed to using high-quality ingredients to make high-quality food for dogs. Using high-quality ingredients is one key to making highly nutritious dog food. But what truly sets us apart is how we make those ingredients come together to provide a full range of nutrients to help your dog thrive. How dog food is prepared is just as important as what you put in it. Why is the amount of fresh chicken and how BillJack cooks it key to the BillJack difference? It has a lot to do with amino acids. The most digestible forms of protein include muscle meat and organs, key ingredients in BillJack dog foods. Proteins of animal origin have the highest biological value because they contain a greater amount of the essential amino acids. Organ meats contain an exceptional balance of the amino acid profile that truly meets the protein needs of your dog. Amino acids are the basic building blocks of larger proteins. They bind together in a specific order to create protein that the body needs to function. There are 20 standard amino acids. Of those, 10 are non-essential, which means they can be made by a dog's body. 10 of them must come from the diet, and these are called essential amino acids. They are essential since dogs must get them from food to use them. They cannot create them from other nutrients. Dogs need to eat these amino acids every day in order to support key body functions such as forming blood cells, making antibodies to help the immune system, and synthesizing protein. Amino acids are much like puzzle pieces. Each one has its own particular shape, and they bind together in a specific order to form proteins. Sometimes amino acids cannot bind together to form a protein because they may be broken or damaged for a variety of reasons. This is called denaturing. For example, high temperatures and high pressure can denature an amino acid. If the amino acids are denatured, your dog will have a limited ability to build body proteins. If your dog does not have enough of a certain amino acid, then that amino acid is a limiting amino acid. Failure to obtain even one of the essential amino acids, those your dog cannot make, results in a breakdown of the body's proteins. If a dog is lacking amino acids, you may see it show up as itchy, flaky skin, brittle fur, or the absence of fur, and even lower energy levels. Next to water, protein is the most plentiful substance in your dog's body. Protein, built from amino acids, is in every cell of your dog's body and is key for nearly every body function. Next, let's look at why the Bil-Jac Nutri-Lock slow cook process is a key Bil-Jac difference. We cook Bil-Jac dog food in small batches. We control the temperatures to help protect the key nutrients, including amino acids. Most commercial dog foods available today are extruded. Extruded dog foods are made by subjecting the ingredients to a high temperature and high pressure process. It is well documented that high heat and high pressure processes, like rendering and extrusion, can damage or even destroy certain amino acids. When this damage occurs, the bioavailability of the amino acids decreases. This means that the dog can no longer use the amino acids that are damaged or destroyed. Dog food manufacturers are required to put the amount of protein found in the food on the package in the guaranteed analysis section. However, it is impossible to look at the label and know how available those proteins are to your dog. The better the quality of the amino acid, the more likely it can be used by your dog's body. If it cannot be made into a protein by the dog, it just passes through. Our special Nutri-Lock slow cooking process allows us to put in more fresh chicken, and chicken along with chicken organ meats are great sources of essential amino acids. The combination of an abundance of chicken plus slow cooking and careful dehydration helps preserve the availability of the amino acids. Well-balanced, highly available amino acids help provide the Bil-Jac difference. Using fresh chicken and our Nutri-Lock process helps preserve the amino acid availability for the dog to use it during the short journey down the digestive tract.